Hello and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this juicy baked salmon recipe. I do hope you're going to love this. It's so juicy and so tasty. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always get notified when I release a new recipe. And if you've been here for a long time, thank you so much and I appreciate you. So now let's get going with all the details. As you can see how juicy and delicious looking that is. I assure you, if you were to taste this, you would love it so much. So now I have here some peppers, onions, garlic, cooking oil, salt, chicken bouillon, honey, and my salmon. So basically I just have bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and some jalapenos. And I already cut all that, and I'm adding some garlic cloves, salt for taste, some chicken bouillon. You can use any type of spice that you have here, and I'm adding some honey. This is just to give it that, sweet taste, sweet feeling, and I'm adding some canola oil here as well. And I'm just going to blend all these into a smooth paste. And you can see the color as well. If you want the color to be a bit different, depends on, your type of peppers. I had yellow and orange bell peppers in here. That's why you have the color there. So I'm just going to marinate this salmon with this mix here. So I'm just going to cover this up for a few minutes, about 30 minutes, just so that this all can mix together. And once I am ready, I already preheated my oven to 350 degree. So I'm going to be switching between boil and bake, just so that the boil would mostly take up the upper section and the bake, so you can see how looking good that is. And trust me if I tell you that this salmon, if you've never loved taking salmon, just try this recipe and you will love it so much. Once again, thank you so much for tuning into this channel. You can also find me on Instagram at Abby's Home Kitchen, and I will see you next time. Until then, have a lovely, lovely day. Goodbye.